Why is the US growing much faster than Canada? In 2023, the US economy is projected to grow by 1.4%, overshadowing Canada's growth of just 0.5%. Analysts believe this disparity stems principally from Canada's high mortgage debt. Canadian households are burdened. They're spending more than double on mortgages compared to their American counterparts, and this ultimately chokes consumer spending, which is a vital driver of growth. In the US, the economic scenario is different. In late 2023, there's been a liquidity-driven rally in the market. In other words, investors expect the Federal Reserve to cut the prime rate, thereby injecting more cash into the economy. As such, this surge isn't necessarily about fundamental economic strength, but is fueled by expectations of rate cuts, injecting optimism into stocks and bonds. Then there's the resurgence in US manufacturing. The North American railroad network is at the heart of this revival. Increased activities here are closely tied to the growing trend of nearshoring. More US industries are bringing their manufacture closer to home, resulting in a higher number of industrial projects. In short, the US is witnessing an industrial boom, contrasting sharply with Canada's mortgage-strapped economy. One of the results is that the Canadian dollar is worth a little less than 90% of what it was since the recent high of May 2021. Ultimately, reduced economic growth and consumer spending are devaluing the currency because they indicate a weaker economy. Lower consumer spending leads to decreased business revenues and profits, reducing economic activity. This diminished growth can result in lower tax revenues and potentially higher budget deficits. Investors are seeing this as a sign of Canada's relative economic instability, and sensing pure future prospects are investing in other currencies. As demand for the Canadian currency decreases relative to other currencies, its value declines in foreign exchange markets. Can Canada turn around its economic slowdown and accelerate growth? Let me know in the comments below.